Healthy Havens Court is a neighborhood collaborative. It's based in East Oakland, the Havens Court neighborhood, to essentially collaborate that's focused on the neighborhood conditions, the social, the economic, the environmental conditions that ultimately would lead to better health outcomes for residents of Havens Court. The goal is essentially to reduce the asthma burden by focusing on the link between health and housing. And Build has provided us the opportunity to really support a team of resident healthy housing champions to, one, support their leadership and advocacy capacity, and also two, that critical link between health and housing. When we talk to the residents, the resident healthy housing champions, is they understand the link between health and where they live, that big picture vision, and they're fired up. A great example of this would be the Oakland redistricting process. The healthy housing champions engaged the community, the Havens Court community, East Oakland community around, hey, did you know this redistricting process is happening? And many residents did not know because, one, it was not accessible in their own language. Two, they made it very difficult to engage in the process. Sylvia is one of the healthy housing champions, and she's just such a fantastic advocate for her community. She was actively engaged in the Oakland redistricting process and helped advocate for the Oakland Commission, the redistricting commission, to translate all the materials and the meetings in Spanish so that the huge East Oakland Latinx community could participate. The champions were serving as trusted messengers in the community to engage in the outreach. It resulted in, one, the extension of the timeline for the redistricting process so that it allowed more residents to come and advocate. Moving forward, they're putting funding towards language accessibility in future redistricting processes. And for Healthy Havens Court in particular, the direct result was they were able to define the map and the boundaries for the Havens Court neighborhood, and that was really empowering for the residents. When you center resident engagement, resident advocacy, and have the nonprofits and hospital systems supporting residents so they are taking the lead on what they want to see in their neighborhoods, that takes time, that takes a lot of trust, that takes really taking a step back. It's a change in power dynamics, and we're seeing that.